Are you a local business using Facebook ads to get more clients? Or perhaps you're interested in starting a Facebook advertising campaign? In this video, we're going to look at the biggest mistake local businesses make when they're trying to promote their business through Facebook ads, and I'll show you how to fix it. Hey guys, Alex here from Brilliant Digital. We teach business owners and entrepreneurs how to get more out of their websites and how to leverage digital marketing in their business. If this is your first time here, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos we have to share. So, Facebook is the most popular social media platform out there, and it makes sense for you to be there and promote your business. In fact, this is something we always tell our clients when they ask us how should they promote their business, and that is, go where your customers are. If you're the type of business that someone will search for you on Google, be there, have a professional website, think about SEO and consider Google ads. If your customers are on Facebook, create a Facebook page, be active, post on a regular basis, and of course, have a look into Facebook ads. And recently, I've seen more and more businesses appearing in my newsfeed advertising their services. People can definitely understand the importance of being on Facebook, so we got that sorted. However, and this is something that I've been closely monitoring for the last few months, the biggest mistake local businesses make when they use Facebook ads, in fact, 7 out of 10 businesses I've seen on my newsfeed would make this mistake, is setting the wrong location targeting. This mistake alone could cost you hundreds or thousands of pounds depending how much money you are investing in advertising, showing your ads to people who are too far away from your location. Let's say you're a cleaning company from Bristol and I'm in Peterborough seeing your ads. That's like 3-4 hours away. There's no way, number one, you would travel so far to clean my windows, and two, why would I hire someone who is so far? I would prefer to work with someone locally. And a lot of people are not even aware of this. They're not aware that their ads are set to be shown across the whole UK. Perhaps you're one of those people, so better safe than sorry, double check those ads. And keep watching, because if you're not sure how to, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So how do I know this? Because I personally contacted every single business that appeared in my ads just to help them out, just to let them know about this in case they weren't aware. And majority were grateful, and admitted they weren't aware of this and thanked me. Some didn't even bother to respond, but hey, you can't please everyone. I know what you're going to say next, and these are some of the answers we got as well. We provide our services nationwide. We go out far. We cater for the whole UK. But then, when I would ask them if they would just come for a quick job to clean my windows, they would say, oh no, we only come for the right job, it's not worth it for us. Well then, why do you advertise to everyone all your services if you're only looking for specific people? Plus, something that they haven't even considered is the fact that even though they are willing to travel, will the customer be willing to hire them? Because again, personally, I would be more likely to hire someone who's local to me. Let me ask you something. If you had £500 to spend on Facebook ads, and for a lot of small businesses, this is a lot of money, wouldn't you rather spend to get more work locally first, instead of having to travel 2-3 hours or more every single day? And the reason I say first is because once you prove the concept, once you prove that Facebook ads works for your business, and you have exhausted all the opportunities in the local area, and let's say you want to increase your Facebook advertising budget, then you can expand. And by all means, you can slowly increase, advertise further away, and even nationwide if you want. But to start with, if your business is local, start small. Focus on those customers who are more likely to buy. Set your targeting 10-20 miles radius around your business. That way you will save a lot of money by not showing your ads to those who are too far away from your location. So how exactly do you do that? Let's have a look. There are 2 different ways to run Facebook ads, so let's have a look at each option. The first option is by doing it through your Facebook page. For that, you need to be on your page, and here, if we go to any post, you will have the option of boosting the post. So if we click on that, and from here, if we scroll to the audience section, we can edit that. As you can see right now, it's selected to advertise to the whole United Kingdom. We definitely don't want that. So we can click on edit. From here, we can remove United Kingdom and choose the desired location. So let's say Peterborough. And from here, you can see you can actually adjust the miles radius or the kilometers. So let's say 17, perhaps a little bit more, 20. Yep, that's perfect. I'm happy with that. Obviously, you can click save, and then you can continue adjusting the rest of your ad and click on the boost post. Now, if you do already have an ad running, you will need to go, so I'm going to cancel this. You would need to go to your ad center here at the top right hand corner, and this is basically where you'll be able to see all your ads and you can edit them and adjust the location. Unfortunately, I don't have any current ads running for this page, so I won't be able to show you that. The second option is to use the ads manager. The ads manager is what I normally use to run ads for myself and for all my clients, because it's a lot more powerful, more flexible. You have more option than you would have here on the page. So in order to get there, we can click on the drop down menu on the right hand side, and from here we can go to manage ads. Now we can click on the name of your ad account. And this is basically where you'll see all your current ads running. So let's create a quick campaign to show you how you can obviously change the targeting. So we're going to go create. We're going to choose traffic. We're going to choose a random name. Click continue. Now we are in the ad set level. This is basically where we choose our targeting. So if we scroll down to location, you can see same as before, we have United Kingdom. We do not want that. So again, we can click on the X button, and now let's type our location. So let's say London this time. Choose London. Again, you can choose the mile radius if you want. In fact, you can add multiple locations. So if you offer your services in different areas, you can type, the names of different cities. So let's say Milton Keynes. And if I zoom out the map, you can see that both Milton Keynes and London are selected. And if you want, you can also drop a pin manually wherever you want on the map. So let's say we take the pin and then we're going to drop it here. There we go. So now we're advertising 23 kilometers around this area. And once you've done that, of course, you can continue creating the rest of the ad. Right guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know by clicking the like button and leaving a comment in the section below. And also do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, tips and guides we have to share. If you didn't like the video, on the other hand, let me know as well by clicking the dislike button twice. I'm Alex, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.